Bentley Mulsanne speed has, wait for this, 530 horsepower, but most importantly, 811 foot-pounds of torque. Those are the numbers you normally find in a boat. It costs £252,000, and would you believe it, Bentley wants you to decide as an owner whether you want to drive this thing or sit in the back, because it's that good to drive apparently. Well, a little slide. I can't believe that. It weighs so much and it will still slide. Quite sprightly, you know. I mean, it feels enormous, but it's so comfortable, and my heated seat is just magnificent. Slidey, slidey. Oh, yes. About 250 millimetres less wheelbase, but we're 45 kilograms lighter. It's like an RS version. Can you imagine? This is just absurd. Every other car I've driven so far today cannot handle the standing water, but the Mulsanne is so big and heavy, it just sort of ploughs its way through, forcing those tyres into the surface. That shouldn't be possible. What a ridiculous car. I love it. The engine is a pushrod V8, which is insane. They built a new pushrod V8. This is old tech made because it gives a sense of character to the car, which sounds bizarre, but it works. It's an 8-speed gearbox. The engine only revs to 4,500 RPM, but it suits the character of the car because at a cruise speed, it doesn't so much accelerate, it's just sort of get there. Oh yes, the slippery bit on second to last is lethal. What the hell is Gambon going to be like? Should we slide around it? Go on, one more slide. Over the line sideways in a £252,000 limousine.